In this video, I'll show you how to fix Valorant D3D11 error. Now, first thing we want to try is simply head over to Google and download DirectX. Come in here, press download, and it's just a simple installer, so you can just press next, 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 and download it. After that, restart your PC, check if it works. If it still doesn't work, what we want to do is come down here and search for Advanced. Click View Advanced System Settings. Go to Advanced here and press Settings under Performance. Go to Advanced again. Click on Change. In here, uncheck this one. Choose Custom Size. And in here you want to type 1024. And then under, what we want to do is check how much RAM we have on our PC. So click down here and search for System Information. Look at your installed physical memory. I have 16 gigabytes. So what I want to do is times this one by 16. So go to our calculator, type 1024 times 16. So I would type 16,384. Now obviously if you have 8 RAM or 4, you would time that by 4 or 8. Now once you do that, just press Set, OK, and close it down. Then try and check if it works. If it still doesn't work, what we can try is we can come down here and search for Device Manager. In here, go to Display Adapters. Find our adapter right here. Right click, Update. Make sure you have the latest update. And then after you update it, what you want to do is disable it and then enable it after again. So simply right click on it, disable, and then right click, enable. Now that should be it, guys. Any of these should hopefully help fix your issue. If they did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.